Hi guys, I would like to show and tell you the details about my Birkin bag and provide some reviews since I've been using this bag for 2 years now. I'll show here a quick unboxing so you know how it looks like when I open it from the box. This is my Hermes Birkin bag, size 30 in color Etoupe with palladium hardware. I can still smell the leather even after 2 years, which is great. The color is very classic and elegant, and I can easily pair this with any of my outfits, formal or casual. The measurement of the bag is 30 centimeters by 22 centimeters by 16 centimeters. It is very spacious. It can hold a lot, but if you put too much and have been using it for like 5 hours or so, you will feel that this bag is heavy. It has 2 handles that you can carry with your hands or hook it in your arms. The lock is an Hermes signature. When I use this bag, I don't actually lock it because it will be difficult to get things in and out of the bag. So for me, it stays open but a bit cinched to make it secured. So this is the inside of the bag. Not sure if you can see it from the video, but there's a zipper at the back. The leather is in Togo. I don't see any scratches after 2 years, easy to maintain and still looks new. For the price, I got this at 1100, but Hermes had 3 price increases from the time I bought it. I think from 1100 to 11,600, and now this is 12,500. I think it is worth the investment, although I won't be reselling this bag. I love it and I enjoy using it and makes me happy every time. I also like to put twillies on this bag in both the handle or the single handle. So yeah, I hope you love this video about my Birkin 30. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be sharing more bag reviews in my future videos, so stay tuned. Thank you and bye guys.